can see me better. This is Keller coming at you live for the fucking WNN for that wake up now. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna wake you guys up. So I've been working this gig for like 5 years now. I'm making mad cash. I'm a level 15 seller right now. You know what I'm saying? So like, I'm only one step away from getting my free house from Wake Up Now, hitting up the hub every day, daily, getting my people signed up, holding them for what they're worth, taking it, cocking it, rolling back the people, then I'm coming forward. You know, I'm ready for that early retirement, you know what I'm saying? First things first, my mom, that's what I'm thinking about. My mom, gonna get her new car, gonna get her new stuff, get her moving out the trash, get her taking out the trash, you know what I'm saying? We here at Wake Up Now. This is a legitimate business, you know, it might not be for you if you want to push it. You gotta push it, you gotta lock it in. If you want to make money, you gotta push it, you gotta lock it in. Most people ain't pushing it, they ain't locking it in. They pushing it, but they ain't locking it in. Once you push it, then you lock it in. Then you got it. You've been making 5, 6, 7, 584 cash, then double that down the next month. 1 month you're making 600. Then you bring up those web points, get those Wake Up Now $9, and then you bring it up, and then you follow it back, and then man, you'll be set. You'll be set for life, you know what I'm saying? This is Kellen Unley hitting you up from Colorado Street, D-E-V-E-N-D-E, Denver. We're hitting you up in Denver, coming at you live here, moving out, taking out the trash. Wake up now!
Yo man, get the fuck away from my car.